let's talk about CHP development and potential in the UK.
Okay. Well, certainly, UK is one of our important members, and I can tell you a little bit of information that I received from our UK member, the Association for Decentralized Energy. So in the UK already, the latest developments, there's been a net increase of 43 CHP schemes between 2015 and 2016. So that represents, CHP represents already now 6.3% of all electricity produced in the UK, which is up from 5.9% in 2015. So the average overall CHP efficiency in 2016 was already at 72% on a gross basis, which is significant, and broadly the same figure in 2015. Now there's potential growth for CHP in the UK, not just in the EU but also in the UK, and the National Climate Agency identified a technical potential of 400 terawatt hours for gas CHP standalone, and almost 275 terawatt hours for gas CHP on heat networks. So that's significant potential in the UK. Now, of course, you need the right policies in place in order to encourage and realize those potentials. And the Energy Efficiency Directive, there's an Article 14 which encourages member states to identify those potentials. That hasn't necessarily worked in the UK, as it has not in other countries, so that needs to be more robust. In addition to that, we need to set up an integrated energy and industrial strategy which would incentivize that all new gas plants constructed in the UK are built in CHP mode. And then finally, there needs to be a better capacity market that recognizes the specific energy efficiency benefits of CHP in the UK.